Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some shepherd's pie. This is, I guess, shepherd slash cottage pie. And this one is made with hamburger meat. It's quick and it's easy. That's why I call it quick and easy shepherd's pie. Because a lot of times, a lot of us don't have the herbs and stuff on hand. So we're just going to do something quick and easy. I have 1.5 pounds of my ground chuck here. I'm using the 80/20. We're going to get this fried up till it's nice and brown, and we'll get whatever fat that's left behind drained off of this. Over here, I have my Yukon Gold potatoes. Now, you can use russets, but I prefer the golds. As long as you can get 4 cups of mashed potatoes, okay? We're going to get those. That's some salted water, a couple of inches of water over top of them for those who are not sure how to make mashed potatoes. Let those boil 15 to 20 minutes till they're fork tender. They're not cut real big. The smaller you cut them, the quicker they're gonna cook for you. And we're gonna get our ground chuck or ground beef nice and browned and drained. Okay, I got all of my fat that came off this meat here drained off. Wasn't a whole lot. It's 80/20. Now to that, I'm going to add in 2 packs. That's why I say this is quick, guys. Now it's not your traditional shepherd's pie. It's not lamb. It's a meat and potato pie, but it's similar to the shepherd's pie. And it's, you can add your herbs and stuff in here, your tomato paste, like the traditional one has. Some people even like to put wine in it. But as I said, we're doing a shortcut here. And I'm going to add in a pack of each of my onion gravy and my brown gravy. And these are 0.87 ounce packs. And we're just going to mix with those packs our 1.5 cups of water. We don't want it real thin. We love this stuff. Bring that up to a boil a little bit. Now we're going to get our vegetables added in here, which the traditional way is the peas or carrots combination. You could put whatever vegetables you want in this. Make it yours. But I'm using peas, carrots, and corn. And I'm just going to let this cook. Those are defrosted, frozen. I'm just going to let this cook maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to turn it off and get my potatoes, get those ready to mash up. Okay, guys. Now, in the meat mixture, I did add in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I left that out, and I apologize for that, but it will be there in the little thing that pops up on the video there for you. But here's my potatoes. Now, please don't overcook your potatoes because they'll get waterlogged like that and they just won't make a good potato. Just until they're fork tender. Now, when I turned my heat off the potatoes, I drained these really well. Then I put it right back on the stove because there's still some heat there. Well, I have an electric stove. But if you have a gas, just turn it back on really low and let a lot of that water that's still holding on to the potatoes absorb. And then I did my sour cream. I've kind of moved my potatoes around so nothing's sticking while they're dry on the heat there. Just moving them around. Then over here on the side, I put my butter and sour cream just to heat it up because you want everything warm in here. Your butter, your sour cream, your milk, you want nice and warm because when you add cold to potatoes, they can become gummy. Okay? So now I'm going to add in my spices here, which I have my salt and pepper. And here's my chives and my garlic. And I'll just mash these a little. You don't want to whip these with a beater or anything. That's another thing that can cause them to become gummy. We want these fairly thick. And I'll probably go in with maybe 1/3 cup or so of milk. And I'll just continue mashing. Okay, I have my lightly oiled casserole pan here. Now you can use a 9x13. I don't know if a 9x9 would work. It's quite a bit of food. So I have my meat mixture, lightly sprayed pan here. We want to make sure nothing sticks. Get that all out of there. Okay. Now I'm just going to spread this out. I got my oven preheating to 400 Fahrenheit. And this is basically, you know, everything's cooked already. So you're basically just warming it through and getting them potatoes on top a little warm. Or browned, I'm sorry. Where my mind's at today. Okay. And just kind of pack it down in there a little bit. Just like so. Okay. Now this is how you want your potatoes. You want them nice and thick. See there? You don't want a thin potato. And we're going to put this right on top. And I'll finish dolloping this on there, and I'll get this spread out. Okay, I have my potatoes evenly spread over that, gently, not trying to disturb the bottom of the meat mixture. Now you can put it in the oven just like that, or you could do the patterns with a fork, just kind of going back and forth. But I just like to, good old-fashioned way. This is how Mama did it. And you can do crisscross on it with a fork. However you want. You can get fancy. Put these potatoes in a piping bag and pipe them out. Just like that. And my oven is just about ready. And this is going in the oven just until it's golden brown, probably a good half hour. All right. Okay, everybody, there's the shepherd's pie. Mine cooked exactly 30 minutes. And I turned on the broiler. If you don't have a broiler, just turn it, or put your pan all the way on the top rack. You know, heat rises, so by those little fork marks, so you get that nice browning. See there, guys? And it truly is delicious. Now, if you want herbs in here, you can put you some herbs in here as well, or your tomato paste, or, you know, but I just done a quick way. Wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. To all my new subscribers, I truly welcome you and thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel, everybody. Please go check out my merch, and please like and subscribe. And until next time, you guys enjoy you some... Oh, I didn't even take a bite with them. But I already know what it tastes like, but I forgot you guys want to know, right? Oh, that's good. Or like my son always says, fire. Or how would you say it, Curtis? Fire? Fire. There it is, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Enjoy you some shepherd's pie, cottage pie. And we will see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Stay blessed.